Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mountain. Oh hey, today's vloggy thing is going to be about mountains. I'm going to try and show you how to tackle mountains and replicate a mountain. I will make a mountain! So, quick tip on mountains. July 21st at 1:02 p.m. is the absolute worst time ever to paint a mountain. Why? The sun is high, there are no shadows, there's zero snow in the mountains left. It sucks. Don't even bother to try. Paint a flower or something. Don't bother. What you need on a mountain is you need light, dark. You need to see light, dark, and it certainly helps if you have snow. Snow really can designate sides and fascia of a mountain. You're going to find a super common theme in everything that I do, and it's called the box. Here's a horizon line, and if you have a box on your horizon line, it will look like that. If you put a box in perspective on your horizon line, and the box will look like that. If the box happens to go below the horizon line, then what you're going to find is that it ends up looking like this, and you see the top of the box. If the box goes above the horizon line, it ends up looking like this, and goes like that. You can actually see the bottom of the box when it's in the air. The problem with a mountain is that this mountain that's here comes down like this. You can't see the bottom of the box because there's a rock in the way.
Will this erase off of there? Oh my God, it erases. That's so good.
All right, imagine this box, same box. I'm going to draw the box again. Here's your box. And remember, it was in the air, so it's doing this, right? But you can't see the bottom of the box. Well, here is your box right there, and look what it does. Oh my God, and here's another box. And look what it does right there. You can't see, this is where the bottom of the box normally would be. But you can't see that because the mountain's coming down. You are going to paint this side of the mountain this way and this side of the mountain this way. Okay, so I'm going to draw this mountain in blue. Why blue, you ask?
Why blue, I ask?
In this case, this is a pretty soft mountain, and it's got a lot of blue and a lot of white in it. It's just blue and white, and I don't think I want it to be crazy vibrant, so I'm going to draw it in a light blue color to be consistent with the picture.
Look, watch the box. So we're going to start with this line right here, and it kind of comes down, but here's a little box. Look, oh yeah, little box. And then I wanted this to come back so it looks a little more boxy-like. Right there, and this kind of comes down, and the snow comes down here. Woo.
And so these lines that I'm putting in here have to go this way. So I'm going to paint them that direction, and these lines I'm going to paint this way. I'm going to pull my brush this way, and these ones I'm pulling my brush this way, which will help emphasize the box thing now.
So the mountain kind of comes out and goes, and it comes down with your box. Let's get the box in.
But look at this, comes down and goes out like this, and this comes down and goes in like that. Right, and then there's this whole valley, like, whee! Here's a valley right here, and there's this humpy thing right here. Love the humpy thing.
Should paint this on humpy. Here's my trees. Make that go down too, so it shrinks down.
Small foreground, large middle ground, medium-sized sky. I think what I would do here.
I'm going to cut this back a little bit there. I'm going to make this guy just a little bit bigger so he's a little more monumental. And then we could put a little cloud coming out of there, off of this guy, like that. So if he goes that way, this guy has to go this way. Oh, wait, that's that way, so that has to go this way. So you put another little cloud maybe right there. That'll look interesting. Perfect.
Right. These lines got to go this way. These lines got to go this way with some swoopy lines in it. This is humpy. This is good. And this is all in shadow. And this is all in shadow. There. That's a setup for a mountain.